Hey, my prepper posse. We're going to give you a video underneath. Hold on. That's the pause button right there.
Alright, there's the SureFlow pump. Come out that way, across the bus that way, up inside that little U channel, and come back over across here, 90 in the corner, up in the floor, and back wall for the cold water. There's a hole right next to it. That one will be for the hot water coming back across the bus.
I'm glad you got to see it. We're still working. But did you see this moon tonight? Wow. Look at that. It's big. That's a big moon. Once we get the plumbing installed, then we'll start working on the walls and, you know, things that we need for in the shower. Alright. Oh, and I was telling you today I got rid of all these boxes. I know my mom was saying something. Do I go to sleep thinking of boxes? Yeah. We got it cleaned up. And we got all the tools out. So every tool that I need for working on the bathroom and the rest of it, and you know, whatever wood we need. Ta-da! And this is it for tonight. I'll be taking this out and we're gonna glue some stuff, and got holes for the plumbing to come in for the sink. Da-da-da-da. And we're just coming up through here. Hey girl. See ya.